Patients that we see who come to us with denture frustrations, what do they typically tell me? They tell me they can't eat the foods they want or need to eat. They have sores in their mouth. They're uncomfortable. They have to use adhesive. Why? They're afraid they're going to come out. We've had some people who will tell us that this happens in public, and thus their lives have changed a little. Typically don't fit well. Why? What happens? Their bone changes. From any removable prosthesis, denture, partial, over time your bone changes. We know that. And thus there's a gap that forms between the denture, prosthesis, and their mouth. They usually typically have to try to fill that gap with adhesive or something, or they struggle with fit, movement, function, sores. We see it routinely. What options do we have to replace the challenges of the removable dentures that you have? We have overdentures. Now they are still removable. They are attached to dental implants. They fit well. They allow you to eat foods you want. Options when it comes to fixed, you can make it fixed with a material called zirconia, which is as hard as a diamond. Another option is it's a long term for an acrylic term, but it's called PMMA, which is a less expensive option, but not as strong. Also like the overdenture, it's similar material. And when we do these, we recommend these as options to patients. We do recommend that they consider upgrading to zirconia within a period of time because of the risk of breakage. Patients who are looking for a fixed option, a stronger option, there's a procedure we do called Teeth Express. And what that involves is we place 4 to 6 dental implants in the bone with teeth removal if teeth are still present, or without if they have dentures. We then fabricate a bridge that is retained by the implants itself. It does not come out of your mouth. It is permanent. We have to clean underneath it and around, and we show you how. But with this is probably the closest to your natural set of teeth that you'll ever have. And the advantage of this, if you do your maintenance and we see you for maintenance over time, this is a lifetime solution.